another season for you, another season for the San Miguel Beermen. For yourself, kamusta yung off-season mo? Anong pinagkaabala mo? And in your game, may dinagdag ka ba? Or gustong improve?
For me, actually hindi after namin manalo ng championship last conference, last season. Siguro nag-take lang ako ng like a week off and then start training ulit. So I think nasa proper condition na ako and doon naman sa ini-improve. Well, nag-focus ako sa like dribblings and decision making.
And syempre, as a SMB player, ilang year mo na, di ba? Kumbaga nagiging veterano ka na sa team, di ba?
11 ko na ata ngayong darating.
Di ba? So, anong feeling na, yun nga, isa ka na tinuturing na veteran sa pupunan ngayon?
Well, lahat naman kami actually veterano na eh. Like, meron lang kaming dalawang rookies and Chris is not actually a rookie. Chris Miller kasi has been playing, overseas. So, wala lang. Like, it's normal kasi we have so many veterans on our team.
And syempre, pag sinabing San Miguel kasi championship or bust lagi, di ba? Parang every conference, expected kayo to be there. Ano nyo sinusustain yung mentality ng kultura na yon? Syempre, minsan may fatigue eh. Diba?
Well, from the start kasi ini-insist na agad sa amin na pag hindi ka nag-champion, the season is a bust. So for us, it's pressure but, pressure is a privilege, Kasi, lalaro kami and pressure sometimes, lumalabas yung galing mo dyan eh, di ba? So I think it's, for us naman, siguro, at the start of ng season, yun lang lagi iniisip namin eh. Like, from the start, siguro, makapasok lang kami sa playoffs and then, after makapasok sa playoffs, yun na, set na namin ng goal na going to the finals and win.
Thank you, Don.